Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henen kasngi ka pratrik uyayong, ka wayna ki company ka bapenmi ki kali arsaka ki babuan jan, kata ka company Yamaha. Hakani ka juas ngi la plat Paidbah ya ki artli ki Thuk ki balapenmi themma jong ka company Yamaha. Bakan top ya ka Yamaha R3 ka basongdor lai laksan pu arajar tingka, bat ka Yamaha R15 version 3.0 ka basongdor silak arp khandai hajar tingka. Uba indon lang pasa. Ringkan ke General Manager jong kanihi ke showroom Hanong Silyang ikong Rika Lingdo, Works Manager uba Tengshan lang pasa, but Public Relations Manager uba Arman ki pasa.
You were talking behind. He said that he will involve me in this business as well. Okay, all right, and can we have Mrs. Eva Rika Lingdo, the General Manager of Yamaha, please? Itong today. Family business, huh? Alright. Yay! Wow! Classy! Oh! Masculine, huh? R3. Wow. This is good, man. Can I request for a photo opportunity, please? So, what is your answer?
Liquid cool.
It's liquid cool. Oh, yay! Round of applause please for this guy. Sweet. Parang that. Oh, sweet parang. So you are somehow related. Okay. Congratulations, man. Yes, cool. Okay. Wow, chor mai hama simit ma. Alright. We'll jump off to the next question. That is, we still have 4 more prizes, right? Okay. How many gears are there in the Yamaha R15 version 2.0? Oh, you are a teacher. Wow, cool teacher, huh? Alright. So, in which school or college, rather?
In St. Margaret's.
St. Margaret College School. Okay. Okay. So are you Khasi or?
Khasi, yes.
Okay. Boss. How about you? Okay, Bose, man. So Bose is in the class. Yeah. Bose. I love it. I love the name. Okay, so what's the answer? What's your answer?
6.
Class 6. Hikai? Huh? 6 gears. Is it right? Okay. We have the winner. Yes. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you. All right.
Anti-lock braking system. Anti-lock braking system.
Who's the guy? This one. Okay. Nice. That's very nice. I like the crowd. Very supportive. Round of applause, please, for the crowd. Out here. Everyone. Stop. What's your name, brother? Bittu de. Mera Bittu. Arey, aa gaya tu. Bittu ji. Kahan se ji Bittu?
I'm from Shillong only.
Shillong. Acha, Bittu. Kahan rehte ho, Bittu?
Barapathar.
Barapathar. अच्छा हम भी छोटा पत्थर भी लेते हैं अच्छा